Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DSers for AliExpress order automation step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the DSers website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, connect your Shopify or WooCommerce store to DSers. Authorize DSers to access your store by following the prompts. After the connection, select the AliExpress option from the dashboard menu. Visit the AliExpress website in a separate tab. Locate the products you want to sell on your online store. Copy the URL of each selected product. Return to the DSers dashboard. Click on the Add a Product button. Paste the copied URL into the designated field. Click on Search to find the product on AliExpress. Review the product details to ensure accuracy. Select the product you wish to import. Click on Import to DSers to add it to your product list. Repeat the process for all desired products. Once all products are imported, head to the Products section in DSers. Review and edit any product details as needed. Set your pricing rules for the imported products. Navigate to the Settings tab in DSers to customize order fulfillment settings. Enable automatic order fulfillment to streamline the process. Select your preferred shipping methods for faster delivery. Save your changes and return to the dashboard. To start processing orders, make a test purchase from your store. Complete the checkout process to initiate an order. Return to DSers to confirm the order is listed in your dashboard. Click on the Place Order button to fulfill the order automatically. Monitor the status of your orders through the DSers interface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.